Hello students. Last class we learnt what is a set, notation of a set, and then how to represent a set. Now today we shall do some problem sums related to representation of a set. What are the three representations of a set that we learnt? Number 1 was description method, number 2 roster method, and the number 3 set builder method. So let me show you some examples how to solve a set sum. Example number 1. If A is equal to factors of 42, then write which of the following statements are true and false. Number 1. 6 belongs to A. Number 2. 21 does not belong to A. Number 3. Set 6, 14 belongs to A. Number 4. Set 21 does not belong to A. Number 5. 3, 12, 21 belongs to A. And number 6, 2, 6, 14, set 2, 6 and 14 belongs to A. Now let me tell you, this sign that you can see out here, this is belongs to sign. And this, when it is cut, it means it does not belong to. So my question is, if A is equal to factors of 42, you have learned in the previous class how to find out factors of 42. I find out by prime factorization method what are the factors of 42. 2, 3, 7, 1 as well as 6, 21, 14 as well as 1. So these are the factors of 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. So by prime factorization method, I find out what are the factors of 42. I write it down. Now, so factors of 42 is set A. So what are the factors of 42? These are the factors of 42. So I write down this in roster form, that is set A is equal to, within curly brackets, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. So these are all the factors of 42. So set A is equal to, within curly bracket, you write factors of 42. So this is actually the roster method, that is representation of a set that I have taught you. The second method, that is roster form. So you write this set which is given in description method, you write it in roster form. So A is equal to factors of 42. Now I move on to question number 1. 6 belongs to A. Does 6 belong to set A? Yes. So question number 1 is true. Since 6 is an element or member of set A, so 6 is, actually it belongs to A. So this is true. Number 2. 21 does not belong to A. 21 does not belong to A, but 21 actually it belongs to A. So the second one is false. So 21 is an element of A. So it should be it belongs to A, but here it is given does not belong to A. So it's false. Third one is set 6, 14 belongs to A. Now so students, whenever you write the members in the form of a set, you already have a set A. So 6, 14, they are actually members. Now this given out here, it's actually a set. So the statement is false. I repeat once again, 6, 14. So 6, 14, it is given in form of a set. It does not belong to A because A is already a set. These are all the members of the set, members of this set A. So whenever you write the members, remember, so members will be written like this. So this is actually a set. But A set is this. A set is not this. A set is fully this. So 6, 14 is a set. So it's false. Similarly, 21, part 4. 21, set 21 does not belongs to A. So this is true. Set 21, it does not belong to A. So this is true. Part 5. 3, 12, 21 belongs to A. Yes. 3, 21, but 12 is not out here. So this statement is again false, because 12 is not a member of A, but 3 and 21, they are members of the A. So I have written out here 12 does not belong to A, but 321 belongs to A. So the statement is actually false. The last part is 6. 2, 6, 14 belongs to A. So 2, 6, 14, it's a set. So it is not an element, it's a set. So the statement is false. So remember, whenever you write it in bracket, it becomes a set. So this is a different set. This a different set. This is a different set. So they do not belong to this set. Thank you.